what?
Elsa.
Elsa. And as you see, we are driving. We're in the storm. Don't ask me why. Just driving. And it is so flooded out here in South Tampa. So if you decide to move out here, just know that it floods really bad when it rains during a storm. Sometimes you see turtles. In a storm, we don't see fish before. I'm only 4 minutes. I'm almost done. So, like I told you, Gandy is really flooded. Some of the back streets, they flood a lot too. So if you decide to buy a house or you're moving down here, it does flood. It is a flood zone. We are by the beach, which is a picnic island. Some streets don't flood. Like for instance, this is Iowa that we're on, and it's not flooded at all. Now maybe if we cross over, depends on the city and the pipes for the drainage of the water. It's not flooded right here, so maybe you have like a little puddle, but it's not flooded as bad as it was on Gandy. They'll maybe don't flood. I think they have redid the pipes, but they have not redid the pipes on Gandy. So as we on Del maybe traffic, and it is not flooded.
No, they move through this.
So as you see, all right, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we are in the flooding storm today, and the weather is crazy. All right, bye.